Okay guys, this is Halo 3 Helpful Hints. Halo 3 Hints, and I'm here to tell you about the skull on the level Crow's Nest. Once you start, well, when you can walk, okay, you see this right here? Jump on top. Okay, like this, okay? And jump again. So now you're on this beam. Walk straight. Jump on about here, there. So now you're on here. And then there's your skull. And I'll put it in the description box on what it is. Also, you can also play basketball with this. See? No matter how many times you drop it, you can still pick it up. So you can dribble it. See y'all.